Is this mysterious tech company quietly powering governments, militaries, and now AI across the globe? Some call it the next big thing, others say it's a high-risk bet. But one thing's certain: Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, is making waves. In this video, we're diving deep into what Palantir does, why it's loved and hated by investors, and whether this stock could supercharge your portfolio or sink it. Subscribe now for future-focused investment breakdowns and big tech insights every week. Chapter 1. Introduction to PLTR, Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies was founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, Nathan Gettings, Joe Lonsdale, and Stephen Cohen. The company originated from a mission to create software that could counter terrorism by integrating and analyzing complex datasets while upholding civil liberties. Its first major backer was In-Q-Tel, the venture capital arm of the CIA. Palantir remained private for many years before going public via a direct listing on the New York Stock Exchange in September 2020. Headquartered in Denver, Colorado, it's often described as a mix of big tech and government tech with a philosophical twist. Chapter 2. What Palantir does. Core Business Overview. At its core, Palantir builds data integration and analytics platforms that empower users to make sense of vast datasets. These platforms include Gotham for government agencies, Foundry for commercial clients, and AIP for enterprise AI. The company started with a focus on national security, helping intelligence agencies and military units analyze information for counterterrorism and defense operations. Over the years, Palantir has expanded into sectors such as healthcare, energy, manufacturing, and automotive. Its mission is to become the backbone for decision-making across industries using advanced analytics, and now, artificial intelligence. Chapter 3. Product Breakdown. Gotham, Foundry, AIP. Gotham was Palantir's first product, used by government agencies for missions ranging from finding terrorist networks to battlefield logistics. It provides secure, scalable, and visual analytics of massive datasets. Foundry is tailored to businesses. It lets organizations integrate their internal data sources and use low-code tools for operations, supply chain management, and risk mitigation. AIP, Artificial Intelligence Platform, is Palantir's boldest step into the future. It integrates large language models, LLMs, and AI capabilities into day-to-day business operations, giving clients tools to automate decision-making, enhance productivity, and extract insights from unstructured data. Book 4. Government vs. Commercial Revenue Streams. Palantir's revenue is split between two main divisions: government and commercial. The government business includes clients like the U.S. Army-Navy, CIAICE, and allied nations. These deals tend to be long-term and high-value, but they come with risk due to over-reliance. The commercial business is growing rapidly, with clients like Airbus, Merck, and Ferrari. Palantir is aggressively pursuing these opportunities, particularly through AIP. However, scaling in the commercial space comes with its own challenges, such as longer adoption times and competition from established enterprise software vendors. Chapter 5. Leadership and Vision. CEO Alex Karp is known for his philosophical and contrarian approach to leadership. He's outspoken, reflective, and deeply tied to Palantir's unique cultural identity. Peter Thiel, a co-founder and early investor in Facebook and PayPal, serves as chairman and offers strategic vision. Palantir differentiates itself with its focus on privacy, civil liberties, and defending Western values through technology. The leadership often emphasizes that they build software for institutions that defend life and liberty. Chapter 6. AI and the rise of AIP is a game changer. With the world racing toward AI integration, Palantir launched AIP to embed large language models into daily enterprise functions. Unlike many firms that sell AI in isolation, AIP is integrated directly into the client's operational workflows. Early users include government agencies and industrial firms. It can generate documents, assist decision-making, and suggest actions in real time. The advantage? AIP sits on top of data already structured by Foundry, making AI much more effective. Chapter 7. Financial Overview. Palantir has grown revenues steadily year over year. In recent quarters, the company reached GAAP profitability, a major milestone. However, stock-based compensation has been a concern, diluting shareholders and impacting margins. Operating income has improved, and management forecasts continued profitability. Key metrics to watch include free cash flow, customer growth, and commercial revenue acceleration. Chapter 8. PLTR as a stock, growth or speculation. PLTR's stock has had a roller coaster ride. After its IPO, shares surged amid retail investor hype and Reddit-fueled buying. Since then, volatility has remained. Some investors see Palantir as overvalued due to its revenue multiple, while others see it as a long-term growth stock positioned for AI dominance. Analysts are divided. Some see a 30-plus valuation, others are bearish. The company has a strong retail investor base and is regularly discussed on YouTube, TikTok, and X. Chapter 9. Strengths of Palantir. Deep integration with government systems, strong technical infrastructure and proprietary software, first-mover advantage in AI data fusion, visionary leadership committed to long-term outcomes, sticky customers, and high switching costs. Chapter 10. Weaknesses and criticism. Heavy use of stock-based compensation. Lack of transparency in contracts and operations. Slow to gain traction in commercial markets. Perception of elitism and secrecy. Political controversies and ties to surveillance. Chapter 11. Competitors in the space. Palantir competes with Snowflake, strong in cloud-native data warehousing. Databricks, focused on unified data plus AI platforms. Microsoft Azure, enterprise cloud, and AI powerhouse. Each competitor has strengths, but Palantir's edge lies in its vertical integration, deep government roots, and hybrid AI deployments. Chapter 12. Future Catalysts. Acceleration of AIP adoption across industries. International contracts with allies like UK, Germany, and NATO. Expansion into healthcare, logistics, automotive. Improved public perception and transparency. New deals in defense modernization. Chapter 13. Risk factors for investors. Losing key government contracts. Failure to scale commercial operations. Regulatory scrutiny over AI and surveillance. Leadership departures or reputational hits. Increased competition from big tech. Chapter 14. Long-term outlook. Palantir is aiming to be a foundational company for the next generation of AI and data infrastructure. The 5 to 10-year outlook is bullish if commercial adoption continues. Institutional investors are slowly returning. Retail remains passionate. But risks persist. Chapter 15. Should you invest in PLTR? PLTR is best suited for investors who believe in AI as a transformative technology, can tolerate volatility and long-time horizons, want exposure to defense and tech convergence. Dollar-cost averaging can reduce risk. Avoid betting the farm. PLTR is high risk, high reward. Palantir is a stock wrapped in mystery, mission, and massive potential. Whether you're ready to bet big on the future of AI and data, or just watching from the sidelines, understanding PLTR is key to grasping tomorrow's tech landscape. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with our deep dive investment content and AI stock analysis every week.